Hello and welcome to my class. In this video, I shall be solving the inequality this. Yes, I'm using a first step that may not be that popular with so many persons solving a problem like this. So what I shall be doing will be to rewrite the inequality as 4 over 1, since 4 over 1 is 4, plus 3 over 4 in bracket x plus 2 less than or equal to 3 over 8x plus 1 over 1. Now, why am I doing this? It is so that I can actually make you see clearly that I'm about taking the LCM of 1, the denominators 1, 4, 8, and 1, with these being the denominators on the right, on the left hand side, and these being the denominators on the right hand side. Now the LCM of 1, 4, 8, and 1 is clearly 8, since 1, 4, and 1 here are factors of 8, meaning that they can divide 8 without leaving a remainder. Now once that is done, the next step I'm going to take will be to use this LCM to multiply each term on the left and each term on the right. So this will now mean 4 over 1 times 8 plus 3 over 4 in bracket x plus 2 times 8 less than or equal to 3 over 8x times 8 plus 1 times 8. 1 over 1 times 8. Now, this here will give us 32, and this here 4 will cancel to give 1 itself, and then 4 will cancel 8 to give 2. So these 2 would multiply 3 to give us 6 in bracket x plus 2, and this will be less than or equal to 8 cancelling 8 here to give us 3x plus 1 times 8, which gives us 8, of course. Now bringing the problem over here, next we are going to expand. So I'm going to put 32 plus 6 here, opens up this bracket, multiplying x to give us 6x plus 6 now multiplies 2 to give us 12 less than or equal to 3x plus 8. Now I'm going to take another step here. Most times students often hear mathematics teachers say, when you take this particular term to the other side of the inequality or the equality sign, it becomes negative, without knowing why or what that means. Now, if I'm to use that same language that your mathematics teacher may have been using without you knowing why he or she is saying that, then take note, I will be saying taking 3x. If I take 3x to this other side, that is the left hand side, from the right hand side, I will end up having minus 3x. Now let me explain why that is so. What your mathematics teacher is actually saying is that he or she is subtracting from both sides what he wants moved from the left hand side or the right hand side, as the case may be. In this case, I want 3x to come over from the right hand side to the left hand side. That would mean doing this, subtracting 3x from both sides. And similarly, I want 32 and 12 to move to this other side. I would also have to subtract from both sides, each of them. But let's move a step further to making the problem easier. So let's add, since 32 and 12 are constants, let's add them to get 44 plus 6x here is less than or equal to 3x plus 8. I think that's better. Now, what I'm going to do next will be to, since I want 44 moved from here, the left hand side to the right hand side, and I want 3x move from the right hand side to the left hand side, I'm going to do the following. So for 44 to leave the left hand side to the right hand side, we should subtract 44 from both sides. And for 3x to move from here, we should subtract 3x from both sides. So I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides and 44 from both sides. So that will give us 3x here minus 3x plus 8 minus 44. Okay, so that is what it means when we do that movement you usually hear or say as mathematics teachers. So this will give us, by simplification, 44 minus 44 is now 0, and 6x minus 3x is now 3x. Okay, and this will be less than or equal to 3x minus 3x is now 0, plus 88 minus 44 should give us minus 36. Okay, so that means 3x plus 0 would give us 3x on the next line, and this will be less than or equal to 0 plus minus 36 will reduce to 0 minus 36, since plus times minus is minus. So this will reduce to 3x is less than or equal to 0 minus 36 will give you minus 36. Since we do not want 3x as a solution to the problem, rather we want x, take note that what we shall do will be to divide the last equation by what stands beside x to make x stand alone as our solution. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3, and that would mean dividing the right hand side by 3 also. So this 3 cancels this 3, and I'm left with x is less than or equal to 3 cancelling minus 36 will give us minus 12. So this solves the inequality. Now, if you were to represent this particular inequality graphically, all you would do will be to draw the number line, and this will be my 0, okay? And somewhere to the left of 0, I'm going to put minus 12. So it means putting this up with a circle above that is shaded, and the arrow going this way, shading every other thing underneath the arrow, tells you that every x value to the left of minus 12, including minus 12, will be a solution to this inequality. That being said, thank you very much for watching this video. Please make sure you follow my page, John Hussein, on Facebook, and give me your likes, your share of this video. That would really do well to making us improve upon our content subsequently. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, GER Hub on YouTube. Search for GER Hub on YouTube and give us your subscription. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.